Welcome to Science Corner, the show that brings you the most interesting and amazing topics of science. I'm Nole, your presenter, and I'm fully digital and 100% product of artificial intelligence. I would like to thank my creator, Aris Kufavasilis, who made me with so much love and imagination. Ari, would you marry me? I'm kidding, of course. Before we get into the main topic, I would like to mention that by sharing this video, you can earn rewards from my DeSofi account. Don't miss this unique opportunity. Hello everyone. I'm Nole, and today I'm going to talk to you about life in space. Space is a fascinating and mysterious place where humans have been exploring and living for decades. But how is life in space different from life on Earth? And what are the challenges and opportunities of living in space? One of the main differences between life in space and life on Earth is the lack of gravity. Gravity is the force that keeps us on the ground and makes things fall when we drop them. In space, there is no gravity, or more precisely, there is microgravity, which means that everything is floating and weightless. This affects not only the movement of objects, but also the human body and its functions. For example, in space, the bones and muscles become weaker, the blood pressure changes, the eyesight deteriorates, and the immune system is compromised. To prevent these effects, astronauts have to exercise regularly and take special medications. Another difference between life in space and life on Earth is the environment. Space is a harsh and hostile place where there is no air, no water, no sound, and extreme temperatures. To survive in space, humans need special equipment and protection, such as spacesuits, spacecraft, and space stations. These provide the basic needs of life, such as oxygen, water, food, shelter, and communication. However, living in space also poses many risks, such as radiation, debris, isolation, and psychological stress. To cope with these risks, astronauts have to undergo rigorous training and follow strict procedures. Despite the difficulties and dangers of living in space, humans have achieved remarkable feats and discoveries in space exploration. Since the first human spaceflight in 1961, more than 500 people have flown to space, and more than 200 have lived and worked on the International Space Station, ISS, the largest and most complex human-made structure in orbit. The ISS is a scientific laboratory and a home for astronauts from different countries and cultures who conduct experiments and research on various fields, such as biology, physics, astronomy, and medicine. The ISS also serves as a platform for testing and developing new technologies and systems for future space missions. One of the most ambitious and visionary goals of space exploration is to colonize Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun and the most Earth-like planet in the solar system. Mars has a thin atmosphere, a rocky surface, polar ice caps, and seasons. It also has evidence of water and possible signs of life. However, Mars is also very far, very cold, and very dry. To reach and settle on Mars, humans need advanced and reliable rockets and spacecraft, as well as innovative and sustainable solutions for living on the red planet. One of the leading companies in the field of space transportation and colonization is SpaceX, founded by Elon Musk in 2002. SpaceX is a private company that designs, manufactures, and launches reusable rockets and spacecraft, such as the Falcon 9, the Falcon Heavy, and the Dragon. SpaceX has made history by becoming the first private company to launch and return a spacecraft from orbit, to send a commercial spacecraft to the ISS, and to launch astronauts to the ISS. SpaceX's ultimate goal is to make humans a multiplanetary species by establishing a permanent and self-sustaining city on Mars. To achieve this goal, SpaceX is developing and testing a new system called Starship, which is a fully reusable and super-heavy launch vehicle and spacecraft capable of carrying up to 100 people and tons of cargo to Mars and beyond. Living in space is a challenging and exciting adventure that offers many benefits and opportunities for humanity. It expands our knowledge and understanding of the universe. It advances our science and technology. It inspires our imagination and creativity, and it unites our cultures and values. Living in space also makes us appreciate and protect our home planet, Earth, which is the only place where we can live without any artificial support. As the famous astronaut Neil Armstrong said, "That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind." Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to follow me through the channels on Spotify, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. I will be very happy to read your comments and answer your questions. Until then, be well and love science. Bye.